Just wanted to do an update video and show everybody what's been going on around here lately. And I don't know, there hasn't really been too much going on because of all the weather, all the snow, and it's still kind of cold out and it doesn't make me want to get out here and do any work. So I'll just kind of show you guys what's been going on. Alright, we'll start off with this. Remember last time I was going to do a cold start on it? Well, I ended up not getting around to it the next day, and took the starter off the side because I had to put it on the other tractor, the Twin, which is the one I wanted to originally get going to begin with, which leads us to this. So I ended up getting it going. I had to replace the coil, a couple gas lines, replaced all the oil. Oh yeah, and I took the heads off here and replaced the gaskets and cleaned the insides up. Yeah, she runs pretty good now. Thinking about running the pipes to the back, right underneath the back wheels. But anyways, with this right here, I'm probably just going to end up waiting a couple weeks before I try to do another cold start because I got to take everything apart and clean everything up. So yeah, we'll definitely be getting back to that. Now as for the Lawn General tractor rebuild, I'm still doing that. It's just put on the back burner for right now because of the cold. I really don't like working out in the cold. I don't have a garage or anything to work in. But yeah, I think I'm going to take that V-twin over there and I'm going to put it on this frame. Sounds like a pretty good idea. Then we got the Rally, which I've been having problems with lately. For some reason it won't start up. Battery's all charged up, it's got plenty of gas. So I gotta figure out what's going on with this. My buddy came up the other day and he was out here messing with it, trying to start it up. But he ended up getting it started up and then it stalled. So I come out here and I was giving him hell. I said, don't mess with my stuff, you know, unless you're gonna let me know first. Well, the damn thing don't start back up now. And that's the exact reason I don't want people messing with my tractors. So I gotta figure out what is wrong with this and why it ain't starting up. And it's one problem after another. And that's what you gotta deal with in life. So yeah, I just wanted to update everybody and let you guys know that I'm gonna be making more videos here soon. I wanna wait until it gets warmer out. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and like, comment. Definitely leave a comment. Thanks for watching.